Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. Of course, I am Dee, and you are viewing the How To Lady, a channel that focuses on organization, DIYs, life hacks, fashion, business. Definitely check out that business playlist because I think you like it. And we even have a special for how to make certain dishes, and our wonderful chef comes in and he does a great job with that. So definitely check out our cooking playlist. If you're interested, stay tuned. And as always, we're gonna get this ball rolling and we're gonna knock it out of the park.
Today, Chef Mike has a trivia question. Good luck.
Good evening, sports fans. It's your man again, Chef Mike. And I have here a box of Cheez-Its, a container of icing, some dry roasted, lightly salted almonds, eggs, and a lean cuisine frozen dinner. Okay, now, trivia time. Which of these items should be stored in the refrigerator? Should it be the Cheez-Its, icing, almonds, eggs, or a lean cuisine frozen dinner? Here is the answer. Even though some Europeans store their eggs at room temperature, as Americans, we know to store ours at 42 degrees or below. When you store them at room temperature, you risk a chance of the egg sweating and salmonella sits in. So that is the answer. Also, icing. Once you open this icing, it has to be stored in the refrigerator, 42 degrees or below, because you also run the risk of bacteria setting in. So I try to trick you guys and put a lean cuisine here. This is a frozen product and it has to be at 0 degrees or below. Thanks a lot.
Wow, that was very informative. Chef Mike really knows his stuff. Please check in with us periodically because Chef Mike has other trivia questions, and these things are nice to know. Make sure that we're keeping all of our food at the proper temperature.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.